And there are some places that have no legal parking, and if you park there, you will pay a penalty. Yeah.
I think there are also tow-away zones.
Yeah, actually, right up here. This is a tow-away zone.
This
is a tow. Oh. How would I say in Korean language? This is a tow-away zone.
여기는 견인 지역이에요.
여기는
견인.
견인 is tow.
Yes.
So you hear 여기는 견인.
지역.
지역.
Yes.
지역 is hell.
Not 지옥. 지역.
Oh, 지역.
Yes.
지옥 is hell. 지역 is area.
Yes.
Okay.
지역이에요.
I forgot the beginning.
여기는 견인 지역이에요.
여기는 견인 지역이에요.
Yes.
여기는 견인 지역이에요. Yeah, this is a tow-away zone.
Yes, that's correct.
Well, fortunately, we're not going to park here.
Just passing through.
That's right. We're just passing through on the way to somewhere else. All right. Wow. We're in a little bit of a traffic jam.
A little bit.
The guy in front of us is on a motorcycle.
He seems to be doing some oncoming driving.
Yeah, it looks like he's dangerous. He's driving against the flow of traffic. He's driving on the sidewalks.
He's like Batman.
He's like Batman. Well, I hope he survives. Well, son, I think this was a very interesting little drive through the neighborhood. I'm glad we did this. Well, we'll have to take another drive again soon.
All right.
All right. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching our little video here. If you have a chance, go ahead and send us a message. We'd love to hear from you. Also, 부탁 있습니다. 공유해주세요. Please share with everybody and tell everybody about our videos. Hopefully it's fun for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and of course, as always, thanks for watching Father and Son. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. It is review time. Are you ready? Sentence number 1. It's a question. Are you buckled in? Are you buckled in? Very good. Sentence number 2. There's a speed cam up ahead. There's a speed cam up ahead. Good job. Sentence number 3. This is a tow-away zone. This is a tow-away zone. All right, drive safely. See you next time.